Hey everybody, it's your girl Shay. What's up to everybody out there in social media world? Today is Wednesday, and so I have my What's Up Wednesday. And so what's up is uncomfortable progression. Uncomfortable progression. And I know y'all are like, uncomfortable progression. Yes, because any type of progression, any type of moving forward, any type of doing something new outside of your comfort zone, it is indeed uncomfortable. We are so used to doing things the same way, expecting a different result. Well, people call that insanity. And so when we're talking about progressing, moving forward, doing things differently, we're talking about uncomfortable progression, because that's the only way progression is going to occur, is when you are uncomfortable. And so I have 4 things that I want to leave with you today when we talk about uncomfortable progression. You getting to the place where you know that you were destined to be in your life through God's grace. Bless the name of God. And so that first thing is believe. You first have to believe that God has a plan and a purpose for your life. Not only does he have a plan and a purpose for your life, but you have different things that you would like to see your life evolve into. And so you first have to believe that your life can evolve into something awesome and something great because of God's grace. So you believe. The second thing you have to know is that process. You cannot bypass process. You have to go through it. Everybody has a process to go through. Some people's processes are easier than others. Some people's processes are very challenging. You may be going through a challenging process right now, but I say to you, go through your process. Do not try to bypass the process, because there's things that we need to learn along the way so that when we get to where we want to be, we're able to sustain in that place. So believe that things can change in your life. Go through the process. The third thing is be disciplined. Be disciplined. Don't get excited about something new and something great that you're doing in your life one day, for 2 days, for 3 days, and then on that 4th day, enough is enough. No. Be disciplined. Keep working the plan. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep going about your business as whatever new thing you have going on. Keep going about that thing. Be disciplined in it. Do not stop. And the last thing is be diligent. There's a difference between discipline and diligence. Discipline is what you do. Diligence is how you do what you do. If you're going to get to wherever it is that you want to be in life, and if you're going to believe God that he's going to bring you there, then you have to be intentional. You have to be strategic. You have to be diligent. Go about the hard work. Do it with all, like you ever heard someone say, due diligence. Put in the work that is needed. Be disciplined about it, but put in that good effort. Don't be haphazard. Don't half step. Be diligent. So those are the things that I want to leave you today. What's Up Wednesday? Uncomfortable progression. We are all progressing and it doesn't feel good, but it's okay. That's how you know things are growing. Growing pains. Things are painful. They're uncomfortable. But I know I'm on my way somewhere. It's been your girl Shay. What's Up Wednesday? Uncomfortable progression. Follow me on all the social media networks. And please visit my website, shayalaskew.com. Go to the product page. I have uncomfortable progression in MP3 format and also PDF format. The extended version, because I know I don't like to talk long when I'm, giving you my What's Up Wednesday, but it's an extended version of uncomfortable progression in a PDF format for you to read, as well as an MP3 for you to listen to. And it's about 15 minutes long, where I go into in-depth teaching about uncomfortable progression. But you definitely want to go ahead and download it. It's free. All you have to do is put in PATH for path. Remember, I'm writing this book, Lord, What's My Path? And this is part of it, uncomfortable progression. So go ahead to the website, download it for free, the MP3 or the PDF, PATH, path. Put that in. God bless y'all on today.